daily program for Africa.
Today in this program, our features of health and healing communications are news from the Vatican. My name is Kanyanja Godfrey Kampamba. The image of the body helps us to understand the deep bonds between image and Christ, which are particularly developed. Pope Francis said this in his catechesis during the Wednesday general audience, which he dedicated to the expression of the body of Christ as the Church. In his teaching, the Holy Father recorded the text of the conversion of Saul, who became Paul, in order to explain how the apostle, with experience, tells us how profound the union between Christians and Christ is. The Pope emphasized the need for unity, whether within the Church or among Christian communities, saying we should all be united, even with our differences, because to unite is the path of Jesus. Lima McCarthy reports.
Cari fratelli e sorelle, buongiorno.
A boiling summer sun brought temperatures to a high of 29 degrees. But despite this, St. Peter's Square was packed by an estimated 80,000 pilgrims. Pope Francis spent quite a long time touring among them in his wife's jeep, repeatedly gesturing to parents to cover their children's heads from the sun. He even went as far as to give one offering a green baseball cap that he himself had been given.
Essere parte della Chiesa vuol dire essere uniti a Cristo e ricevere da Lui la vita divina che ci fa vivere come cristiani.
In his catechesis, he spoke of the Church as the body of Christ. He said we must remain united, lamenting the divisions among Christians which he thought wounds this body. He said differences in the Church can enrich us and help us grow, but a body must be united to survive. I'm Eva McCarthy.
At the end of his catechesis during the general audience, the Holy Father spoke of the World Refugee Day, which is commemorated on June 19th. The Holy Father said that the face of Christ is imprinted in the refugees. He then appealed for special consideration of the situation of refugee families who are often forced to quickly leave their home and homeland, and in the process of running away, lose everything they have and own, including security, just in order to flee from violence, persecution, or severe discrimination for a number of reasons. Chris Gutierrez reports.
Speaking Wednesday to the tens of thousands of pilgrims who have queued since dawn to take part in the weekly general audience, Pope Francis said, "This year we are invited to give special consideration to the situation of refugee families, often forced to leave their home and their homeland quickly, to leave all they own, and to leave behind every security, to flee from violence, persecution, or grave discrimination on religious, ethnic, or political grounds." The Holy Father went on to say, "We are called to help all refugees," adding, "Their face is the face of Christ." Pope Francis also had an appeal for renewed and increased respect for and protection of human life at all stages of development, from conception to natural death.
Vorrei rivolgere ancora una volta l'invito a tutti ad accogliere e testimoniare il Vangelo della vita.
I would like, he said, to renew the invitation to everyone to embrace and bear witness to the gospel of life, to promote and defend life in all its dimensions and all of its phases.